My video guide is about getting rid of the browser pop-ups that come from the site tomcleaneraddon.com. Tom Cleaner Add-on is a unwanted pop-up that specifically attacks Microsoft Edge browser. This pop-up claims that it promotes some sort of official Microsoft Edge add-on, but in reality, this add-on, this extension that is promoted by these pop-ups actually may operate as a browser hijacker. It may change a lot of crucial browser settings without users' permission. So anyway, we recommend you to be very careful whenever you see these pop-ups, and you need to stay away from interacting with them. Don't install anything that these pop-ups actually suggest, because this Tom Cleaner extension may actually operate as adware by displaying intrusive advertisements in the form of web push notifications. So if you have mistakenly clicked on allow, you need to fix your browser. If you have permitted this add-on to be installed into your Microsoft Edge, access the menu, go to extensions. Then when you find this extension, you need to click on this button and remove it from Microsoft Edge. Finally, I recommend that you carefully research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then after it gets successfully installed, start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.